From NH to AZ. I've been traveling the road for a few months now, and I'm finally headed back east. My first stop was in the all-too-beautiful Little Rock, Arkansas. I also passed by Hot Springs, Arkansas, where they pay homage to a very famous visitor from the past. Late President Franklin Roosevelt. I think I fell in love with a state I barely knew existed within 24 hours of being in the state. Nonetheless, I knew immediately when I had arrived to the Southern Belle-Lovin' state of Louisiana. I mean, I felt it. As in physically. I could feel the humidity like I was picking up a baseball. My cousin and his fiancée were amazing hosts. They made sure I had a real taste of Southern culture. As well as feeding my addiction to Taiwanese classics like boba tea, Shreveport was described to me as a cow lover state, but the more I explored around, the more I really got to see a diverse and unique spot of my travels. And I didn't see one cow.
We're at the shooting range here in town, and my cousin is teaching me how to shoot a gun. He's in the military, so he's been shooting for a while now, but also just being from New Hampshire, a lot of people are good at hunting and have been hunting for a while. We're going to be doing a shotgun and handguns, and I think it's 11mm and a 9mm, so let's have some fun. Important thing is safety. We did do a full round of how to load, unload, properly handle guns at the house, and he's gonna be sitting next to me.
It's gonna be up close and personal. This is what her nose looks like when she's shooting.
Don't make fun of me. What did I do? I used my left hand?
Yep.
I just kind of, I did this.
Right next to it. Go again.
Oh.
The week flew by, and I wish I could stay longer, but I'm off to visit a whole nother country, so I had to zip on down to New Orleans, and until then, peace, America.